Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is defined as a sequence in which there is a common difference between the two consecutive terms. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabing arithmetic sequence, ito yung mga sequence ng numbers na meron silang common difference or pare-parehong difference or pagkakaiba ng numero. Okay? So, that's arithmetic sequence. First, let's have this identification. If the following given examples are arithmetic sequence and identify their common difference. Let's start with number 1. -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. What do you think is the common difference of this sequence? Or by the way, is this an arithmetic sequence? That's the question. Is this pattern is an arithmetic sequence? So let's start. Let's start with the second number or second term, and let's subtract it to the next term. So we have -1 minus -3, and that's +3, di ba? So magiging parang ganito siya, -1 minus -3. Since dalawang negative yan, so alam na naman natin that when we multiply both negative, magiging positive siya. Therefore, -1 plus 3 is +2. Then 1 minus -1, since -1, parehong negative minus at saka negative, so magiging positive. So, 2 pa rin ang difference nila. Tama? 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So, obviously, ang kanilang difference ay 2. And yes, yung pattern natin ay arithmetic. Another example. 15.5, then 14, then 12.5, 11, 9.58. Let's see kung may common difference sila. 14 minus 15.5 is 1.5. 12.5 minus 14 is 1.5. 11 minus 12.5, tama ba ako? 11 minus 12.5. By the way, negative pala yung answer natin. No? So we have 14 minus 15.5 is negative 1.5. Then 12.5 minus 14 is negative 1.5. 11 minus 12.5 is negative 1.5 again. 9.5 minus 11 is 1.5 and so on. So ang ano natin, ang ating answer ay ang ating given arithmetic, sequence ay arithmetic. At ang kanilang difference ay negative 1.5. Next, 80 minus 84 is negative 4. 74 minus 80 is negative 6. So, obviously, doon pa lang sa ating second difference, hindi na siya umaakma doon sa first. So, therefore, this one is a big no-no. It is not an arithmetic sequence, and it has the common difference. How about the next one? 6 minus negative 8, and that is positive 14. Negative 14 minus negative 6, that is negative 10. So, again, doon pa lang sa second difference, medyo hindi na siya pasok. So, therefore, this one is not an arithmetic sequence. Again, pag sinabing arithmetic sequence, meron siyang common difference. Okay, meron silang, yung mga patterns natin, meron silang common difference. Okay, and finally, we have negative 44 and negative 50. So, negative 44 minus negative 50 is positive 6, I think. And then negative 38 minus negative 44 is, again, it's positive 6. Negative 32 minus negative 38, again, it's positive 6. If nalilito kayo dun sa mga negative sign, you can use your calculator. No? Anyway, pwede naman kayo mag-search ng addition and subtraction of integers kung hindi nyo pa masyadong master yung pag-a-add ng negative and positive signs. Tsaka yung pagsasubtract. Pero pwede rin naman kayong gumamit ng calculator. Just put a negative sign pag sinabing negative 32, then minus to negative 38. So, same rin naman yung lalabas. Okay? So, this one is a yes. It is an arithmetic sequence because they have the common difference of d equals 6. By the way, the common difference is represented by a small letter d. Okay? Now, the common difference is always the difference between any terms and the term that precedes that term. Negative 26, negative 21, negative 60, negative 11, and negative 6 has a common difference which is equal to 5. Okay? If you want to check, you can check it using your calculator. Now, the general form of an arithmetic sequence, the first term natin is a sub 1. Yung unang term na makikita natin sa arithmetic dun sa ating sequence ay a sub 1. The second term is a sub 2 which is equal to a sub 1 plus d which is the common difference. The third term is a sub 3 which is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d. So kung nakita nyo, nandun pa rin si a sub 1. Pero naglagay tayo ng 2d for the third term. Okay? The fourth term is a sub 4 equals a sub 1 plus 3d. The fifth term is a sub 5 which is equal to a sub 1 plus 4d. So kung nakikita nyo yung a sub 1 hindi nagbabago. Okay? And then dito sa ating a sub 5, magma-minus 1 tayo para makuha natin yung term na i-multiply natin dun sa common difference. So to make it short, to determine the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, we have this formula. And the formula that we will be gonna use is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied to d, which is the common difference. So this is the pinaka-formula na gagamitin natin. Now, let's use this formula. The formula for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. A sub n is equal to the nth term. A sub 1 is the first term. The n is the term number. And d is the common difference. If we know any three of these, we ought to be able to find the fourth. Now, given 79, 75, 71, 67, and 63. It is an arithmetic. So let's determine the common difference. The a sub 1 that we have here is 79. That's our first term. The common difference is 75 minus 79 is 4. 71 minus 75 is 4. 67 minus 71 is 4. So all of these has a common difference of 4. So, find the a sub 32. So, we are looking for the nth term which is equal to 32. So, ano yung pang 32nd number? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang yung given. Ang hanapin natin is yung pang 32nd number. Okay? So, using the formula, okay, so let's identify the given. The a sub 1 is 79. D is equal to negative 4 and N is equal to 32. Okay, because 75 minus 79 is negative 4, 71 minus 75 is negative 4, 67 minus 71 is negative 4. And then for the N, we have 32. That's the N term. And A sub 1 is 79. Ito lang yung mga kailangan natin. Okay? Si A sub 1, si D, tsaka si N. So we can now put them in our formula. And by using our formula, we have 79 plus 32 minus 1 times negative 4. So what will be the answer? So the answer is negative 45. So to check this one, so let's have the calculator. So 32 minus 1 is 31, tama? So 31, multiply mo siya ng negative 4, so the answer is negative 124. Then, yung negative 124, i-add mo siya sa 79. Since they don't have the same sign, we will subtract them. So, negative 124 plus 79 is equal to negative 45. Our answer is negative because the biggest number it has a negative sign, which is negative 124. So therefore, the 32nd number in this given sequence is equal to negative 45. Another, we have 79, 75. So we have the same given sequence, and obviously this one is arithmetic sequence. So what term, okay, number is negative 169. So the term or the number is given. We will look for the term number. Okay? Anong term number daw yung negative 169? No? Pang ilan daw siya? So identify first, we have the a sub 1 which is equal to 79, d equals negative 4, and a sub n is equal to negative 169. So anong hinahanap dyan? Yung letter n. So to solve, okay, so ganito lang yan. We will write first the given, okay, in the formula, or substitute the given to our formula. The formula will never change. It is just the same. So, ang a sub n natin is negative 169. Ang ating a sub 1 is 79 plus n minus 1. The n term, wala pa rin. And then negative 4 is the d. For the d. Okay? So, ano ang gagawin natin for this one? So, una, ililipat natin si 79. We will transpose 79. So, that will become negative 169. Okay? Minus 79. Tama ba? Minus 79 because as you can see, ang tawag dito, positive siya, no? So, magiging negative pag nilipat mo siya. Then, what is negative 169 minus 79? So, we have 169 minus 79. Okay, since they have the same sign, okay, we will add the two. So we have negative 248. So that's the answer here. 248. Okay. And then, which is equal to n minus 1. Yun na lang yung natira. N minus 1. Okay. Then, we have negative 4 pa rin. Quantity negative 4. Ayan. So, ano ang next natin gagawin? Kailangan maalis natin si negative 4 dyan. So, i-divide natin sila both sides by negative 4. Tama? So, we will divide both sides by negative 4. Since parehong negative yung number dito, so magiging positive siya. Alam naman natin that when we divide integers, if they have the same sign, the answer is positive. So, 248 divided by 4, the answer is 62, right? 62 is the answer. So we have positive 62 equals n minus 1. Okay. Then, si minus 1, ililipat natin siya. So magiging positive 1 siya. So 62 plus 1 ngayon is 63. And then may iwan na lang si n. So we have n equals 63. Ibig sabihin, ang term number ni negative 169 is equal to 63. Okay? Yung pang 63 na number dito is equal to negative 169. Kasi meron tayong number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano yung pang 63? And that's equal to negative 169. Okay? Next, given ang a sub 10 which is equal to 3.25, a sub 12 which is equal to 4.25. Find the a sub 1. So we're looking for the a sub 1 which is the first term. What's the real question? the difference. So identify first the a sub 1, which is 3.25, okay? Then a sub 3, which is equal to 4.25, and n, which is equal to 3. To solve, so we have this one. The real question now here, okay, is first we need to identify the difference. So yung difference nila is 0.5. So as you can see, 0.5 siya. So identify. Sabi, yung a sub 10 natin, which is our first term, okay, is 3.25. So merong a sub 11 dyan. So that this will represent as a sub 1. The next one is a sub 12, which is 4.25. So ang ating a sub 12, which can be represented as a sub 3. Okay? Which is, or a sub n, pwede rin. Kasi wala naman siyang sinabi kung gaano karami sila. So dalawa lang naman sila nag-event. Dalawang given. Pero may pagitan silang isang term. Okay? So, a sub 1 natin ay 3.25. Ang a sub 4.25. The real question now here is we're looking for the difference. Ano ba yung difference talaga nila? Ito lang yung ginawa natin. Hinanap muna natin yung a sub 1. So, yung a sub 1, this will become a sub 10. Okay? So, wag tayong papalito doon. Then, yung pinaka-real question talaga is to find the difference. So, ang ating n is equal to 3. Okay, so that's the n term natin. Bakit 3? Kasi we only have 3 terms. Diba? We only have 3 terms. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, tsaka a sub 3. May pagitan kasi yan eh. Okay? So, we're looking now for the difference. So, we have 4.25 equals 3.25 plus 3 minus 1 times d. And then, ililipat ko to. Kung ililipat ko yan, that's equal to, I think, that's equal to 1. Ay, no. Yeah, 1. So, we have 1 equals 3 minus 1 is 2, 2d, right? And then, divide mo siya by 2. Suma ko mo is 1 half. Kasi kakancel natin to. And 1 half is equal to 0.25. So, therefore, ang difference nila is 0.25. Kung hanapin natin si a sub 2 or si a sub 11 in the other representation, ano yung number niya? Kung ang difference nila is 0.25 lang. So, I think that's 4. Diba? So, that's the next term. The next term is 4.00. And then, tama ba ako? No, This is 3.75. Sorry. A sub 2 is equal to 3.75. Kasi, pag ginad ko siya ulit nag-add ako ulit ng 0.5, magiging 4.25 na siya. Tama. So, 3.75 will be our second term. So, first term, second term, and third term. That's why ang n natin ay 3. Because we have 3 terms na tatlong given natin. Okay? Kumbaga, ang hinanap natin lang is yung difference nila para malaman natin kung ano si a sub 2. Okay? Though wala naman talaga, hindi naman pinapanap si a sub 2. Kumbaga, nilagay lang natin siya as a proof, no? Na tatlo talaga yung yung ating mga n terms. Okay? Alright. Now, a sub 10 equals 3.25, a sub 12 equals 4.25, find a sub 1. So, identify first, we have a sub 10, which is 3.25, okay? And then d is equal to 0.5, and n equals 10. So, now, after natin makita, okay, malaman that d is equal to 0.5, ayan, no? Nahanap na natin si d is equal to 0.5, pwede na nating makita si a sub 1 ngayon. Kumbaga kanina nag-represent lang kasi tayo eh. We just represented kasi hindi pa natin malaman kung ano yung difference ng dalawa kasi kulang tayo ng isang term which is a sub 11. Okay? So, given na ngayon si a sub 10 which is 3.25, si d which is equal to 0.5, and si n which is equal to 10. Now, um, bakit 10 naman yung n natin? Kasi it's obvious, diba, dito sa ating we have 10 here. Now, to solve, okay, kasi alam naman natin that we have the term, okay, a sub 1 ang gagamitin natin. So, pipili lang tayo ng isa. We chose a sub 10. So, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 and d. Kung si 12 ang pipiliin natin, ang n natin ay 12. So, since we chose a sub 10, ang n natin ay 10. So, we have 3.25 equals a sub 1 plus 10 minus 1 times 0.5. So, ang answer natin dito is 9, di ba? Then, 9 times 0.5 and that's 4.5. Tama? And, kung 4.5 ang product nito, okay, ng 9 at saka 0.5, that's 4.5. Ililipat ko siya, magiging negative 4.5 siya. Tama? So, kung meron tayong 3.25, kung may calculator kayo, paki-compute, 3.25 minus 4.5, ang makukuha mo ay negative 1.25. Therefore, ang a sub 1 natin, which is this one, is negative 1.25. Ang common difference nila is 0.5. Okay, so nag-a-add tayo ng 0.5 until such na pagdating natin ng a sub 10, makukuha natin is 3.25. Diba? Tapos pagdating ng a sub 11 is 3.75 and then a sub 12 is 4.25. Okay, so that's all about for our lesson, the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. With that, thank you very much for your listening.